Today is solving by factoring, and for example, the problem could be this. X squared minus 4x minus 21 equals 0. So step one is to figure out the two numbers that multiply together to give you negative 21, but add to give you the negative 4 in the middle. It says minus 4, but we think of it as a negative 4. So we need two numbers that multiply together to get a negative 21. We'll list those factors out next. So if we have a negative 21, I could multiply 1 by 21, but that would give me a positive 21. So what has to happen to get a negative? Yeah, a negative 1, but could it also be 1 and negative 21? Yeah, so anytime you have a negative number that you're factoring, you have two sets of numbers that will multiply to give you the number, but you need two different sets, alternating the negative sign. What about 3 and negative 7, or 3 and negative 3 and positive 7? Yeah, so now we look to see which one adds to give us the negative 4, and it would be 3 and negative 7. So what you're doing is setting it up like this. X plus 3, the quantity of x plus 3, times the quantity of x minus 7. And setting that equal to 0. And you're solving each parenthesis as if you're setting it equal to 0. For example, it's going to be x plus 3 equals 0, and then x minus 7 equals 0. Solve each of those for x. Now on this one, if you move your 3 to the right, it becomes negative 3. And this one, if you move the minus 7 to the right, it becomes positive 7. So your answers are negative 3, positive 7.